51. Vocabulary 1. He crafts a monthly budget to control her spending. 2. Let in my biggest monthly expense. 3. I can't afford to buy a new phone right now. 4. You used her savings to start a small business. 3. He is trying to pay off his debut. 6. Her income increased after he changed jobs. 7. This project offers good value for money. 8. Many people invest in property for the long term. 9. There is a small fee for using this service. Collocation 1. She saved money by cooking at home. 2. He to he spends too much money on clothes. 3. We traveling on a budget this year. 4. I prefer to pay in cash at small shops. 5. Learning a manage your money in a important life skill. Idiom 1. Stop watching money. Does it go on trees?